This is take number 2 because I'm an idiot and hardware muted my mic. Hi everyone, my name's Joseph, Jenn on my femme days, and I am gender fluid and pansexual. I live with type 1 insulin resistant diabetes and asthma. I just got safe and I started living on my own. It's so much more relaxing and I'm so much more free now. And the biggest things about living on my own, just affecting my gender fluidity, is being able to just hang up all of my clothes and being able to decide what to wear on a day, and being able to put all my makeup out on the sink and being able to organize it instead of stashing it all away in a bag and hoping no one finds it, and realizing that, oh, this cleaner busted and that you gotta throw some stuff out. And it's really liberating to finally be on my own. So, Halloween, I decided to do the popular meme thing, but not quite the most. And instead of the Bowsette thing, I went and did a Peachy Boo style costume, sort of a fusion of like a ghost, a vampire, a witch, and no one knew what I was. I went to my first ever drag show and costume party, and that was a ton of fun. Aside from, one, this is my first drag show I've ever been to, and no one told me, oh, you bring money to tip the kings and queens there. And two, where I parked my car, they closed the shutters down at 11. So I had to have some friends come pick me up after the show. I'm 29 years old. I live on the border of the Mid-Ohio Valley and good old Appalachia, which a lot of people are just now realizing is kind of a regional area thanks to Fallout 76. To go along with that, I am a huge nerd when it comes to PC gaming, mobile gaming, and traditional gaming. What I mean by traditional gaming is stuff like tabletop RPGs, board games, and miniature games. Some examples of that I've done recently: for miniature games, I just finished assembling some Astra Militarum Guardsmen for Warhammer 40k, which the local community that plays Warhammer 40k are all super accepting, super open people, and not the old nerdy grognards that you think of when it comes to a store that has miniature games. For board games, I recently played some Ultimate Battle Wizards with my friends that live in the same complex that I do. And that was a real fun adventure because I played with them previously, and it's just a fun take that style game. And for tabletop RPGs, the same friends that I played with, they're starting a 5th edition Dungeons and Dragons campaign soon in Faerun, the Forgotten Realms. And for that campaign, I'm going to be playing a female brass dragonborn cleric of Bahamut. So she's going to be really fun and interesting to play because I usually go for... I really don't gravitate toward divine classes at all. So I decided just to throw caution to the wind and play a cleric and see what that's about. So thank you guys for listening to me and seeing all the emotions I can go through. Bye. Love all of you.